So the CB Magna Spark coil, the red is positive and the black is negative. They're marked here, and you can always just use a little brake clean and get that off later. And then obviously coming from your car, on the Volkswagens, the Germans use a black wire coming out as a positive, and that's what confuses a lot of people. They'll end up putting black to black and they'll burn the module out. So anyway, just make sure that the power lead coming from your car it's going to be black, and you just test it. If it's power from the ignition, that'll go to the red. Jerry's going to pull the exhaust off of this thing and tape it up, put the air cleaners on, and then we'll load it up in Derek's truck.
You hook the cooler up and everything, so.
Yeah, I got a cooler.
Let's see, how do we go? Let's see.
Hold on.
Here, slide it.
I'm strong if you need another set of hands.
Just slide it first.
You want to put it on this?
Yeah. Okay. We got to go inside. Ready?
It's right on the edge, guys. Here.